The P0341 code indicates a camshaft position sensor, a circuit range performance issue on bank 1. This diagnostic trouble code signals that your vehicle's engine control unit has detected an abnormal signal from the camshaft position sensor. The camshaft position sensor monitors the camshaft's rotational position and speed. This sensor is crucial for synchronizing fuel injection, ignition timing, and valve operation in the engine. An abnormal signal from this sensor can result in poor engine performance, misfires, or starting problems. The sensor communicates with the engine control unit and other components through electrical signals. The error specifically means the sensor's signal deviates from expected parameters, such as voltage ranging from 0.3 to 1.0 volts, or pulse width between 5 and 100 Hz, depending on the sensor type. If you're experiencing a P0341 code, you may notice several symptoms. These include engine stalling, rough idling, reduced engine power, an illuminated check engine light, or difficulty starting the vehicle. These symptoms arise because the ECU isn't receiving accurate information about the camshaft's position, leading to timing and fuel delivery issues. Several factors can trigger a P0341 code. These include a damaged wiring harness, which can interrupt the electrical signal between the camshaft position sensor and the engine control unit. Failure of the camshaft position sensor due to wear or oil contamination, especially with variable reluctance sensors, which are more susceptible to buildup. ECU faults, where the engine control unit itself may have issues processing the sensor signals. Timing chain issues that affect sensor alignment, causing the sensor to read incorrect positions. Environmental factors like heat and moisture that can exacerbate these issues, leading to sensor malfunction or signal degradation. Start by using an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0341 code. Connect the scanner to your vehicle's OBD2 port and read the diagnostic trouble codes. Then, check live data for signal fluctuations from the camshaft position sensor. Monitor the sensor's output voltage or pulse width in real time to detect irregularities. Visually inspect the sensor and its wiring for corrosion, loose connections, or bent pins. Look closely at the camshaft position sensor location and connections. Perform a multimeter test for resistance. Typical values range from 500 to 1,500 ohms. This tests the sensor's electrical integrity. If the sensor is faulty, replacement is often necessary. Disconnect the battery for safety. Locate the camshaft position sensor, typically near the engine's cylinder head. Remove the old sensor and install a new OEM sensor for higher reliability. Clear the diagnostic codes after replacement and test drive the vehicle to ensure the issue is resolved. The cost of the sensor varies, but is typically in the range of $50 to $150. When addressing wiring issues for the P0341 code, start by carefully inspecting the wires for any visible damage, such as fraying, cuts, or exposed conductors. If you find breaks or shorts in the wiring, repair them using appropriate electrical tape or splicing techniques to restore continuity. For corroded connectors, use an electrical contact cleaner to remove oxidation and restore proper electrical contact. Always ensure that all connections are secure and properly seated in their connectors to prevent intermittent faults. Reroute the wiring harness away from heat sources like the engine or exhaust to prevent future damage from thermal stress. If the wiring harness is severely damaged or faulty, it may need complete replacement with a new OEM or compatible harness. If sensor replacement and wiring repairs don't resolve the P0341 code, further diagnostics may be needed. Check for timing chain wear or stretch, which can affect camshaft alignment. Consider the possibility of ECU software bugs, especially in newer vehicles. In some cases, an over-the-air software update may be available to resolve the issue. Professional diagnosis is often recommended to avoid further damage. Preventative maintenance can help avoid P0341 issues. Regular oil changes, especially in vehicles prone to oil sludge buildup, can protect the camshaft position sensor. Keep an eye on your vehicle's health with predictive analytics in connected vehicles. Be aware that predictive maintenance, AI diagnostics, and eco-friendly sensor technologies are becoming more prevalent. Future vehicles may even self-repair minor sensor issues via software recalibration. By implementing these preventative measures and staying informed about future trends, you can minimize P0341 issues and keep your vehicle running smoothly.